I'm going to show you 3 ways to show your battery percentage on your iPhone. So the first way we can do is go to our settings. This is the more common way that people do this. Go ahead to battery. And then what you want to do is at the very bottom, go ahead and toggle on your battery percentage. As you see, it comes up on the top right-hand corner. That way you can see the exact number. Another thing we can do is go ahead and add it to our lock screen. So from the top left corner, go ahead and swipe down. And we're going to add this to our lock screen. So go ahead and click and hold, and then go and hit customize. And we're going to add a widget on our lock screen. So after here, you want to scroll down until you find batteries. And you have 2 options that they give you. So let's just pick this one and go ahead and hit the X. And that's it for that. We can go ahead and make this bigger if we want to, or move it around. But once we're done, go ahead and hit done. And then your phone's battery percentage will pop up on your lock screen, so it's easy to see. The last thing we can do is actually add a battery widget on our phone itself. So let's go and click and hold an empty space on our iPhone. And then you want to go to edit at the top left-hand corner. And then we're going to go ahead and add a widget. So from here, let's just make this easy and type in battery. And it should just come up. So you have some options here. So what we can do is go ahead and click whichever one you want and then go ahead and hit add widget. And from that point forward, we can move it around if you want, make it bigger so it's more noticeable. But that's it. Go ahead and click the screen so that it stays there and it's permanent there. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to show you